Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where to find information on managing your booking in the Vueling Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Help and Contact button. And then click on the Help button. And then if you scroll down at the You May Be Interested section, look for the Manage Your Booking button and click on that. And here it will transfer you to a page where first you have to give your booking code and then the purchaser's email. And then if you click on the Go button, then it will show you all the information that you need to know about that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.